How can breathwork improve energy, focus, and performance in the workplace? If you have ever felt low on energy during the day or struggled to stay focused, today's topic will provide practical tools to help you manage your mental and physical state more effectively. Hi, my name is Krita Rovaga. I'm a breathwork and mindfulness coach, and I've spent years teaching people how to use their breath as a powerful tool for self-regulation and performance. With a background in martial arts and communication science, I see breathing not only as a physiological process, but as a way to communicate with our nervous system, essentially our body's operating system. Let's begin by understanding why breathwork is such a powerful tool. In today's work environment, many of us find ourselves constantly juggling responsibilities, switching between tasks, and spending long hours in front of screens. These demands can leave us feeling physically and mentally depleted. Breathwork offers a simple yet effective way to regulate our energy levels, improve focus, and shift into the right state of mind for the task at hand. To understand how this works, let's take a closer look at our nervous system. The nervous system, which includes the brain and a network of nerves throughout the body, plays a key role in regulating our energy and focus. Within the nervous system, there is a specific part called the autonomic nervous system, which controls many of our vital functions, such as heart rate, breathing, and digestion. This system operates through two main branches: the sympathetic nervous system, which gears us up for action, and the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps us rest and recover. Breathing is one of the rare bodily functions that is both automatic and under our control. This gives us a unique ability to influence our nervous system through deliberate breathing techniques. For example, vigorous breathing with deep inhalations engage the sympathetic nervous system, preparing us for action and increasing alertness. We all have a respiration rate of about 15 breaths per minute. If we are stressed, our breaths per minute increase, and we're slightly leaning towards sympathetic activation. If this state holds on for too long, we increase excessive inflammation levels in our bodies, drain energy levels, and negatively affect our mental performance and health. But stress is also good because it makes us more alert and perform better. So the key here is to balance our stress level and regulate it strategically. This is where deliberate engagement of our rest and digest system comes into play. Slow, deep breathing with prolonged exhalations activate the parasympathetic nervous system, promoting relaxation and recovery. This interplay between the nervous system has been studied extensively. Research has shown that deliberate breathing practices can reduce stress, improve focus, and even enhance immune function. These findings highlight the profound impact that breathwork can have on both our physical and mental state. Now, let's think about how to apply this knowledge to improve workplace performance. One way to approach this is by considering three key factors: the transition point in the day, your current state, and the desired state for your work. Just as athletes warm up their bodies before training, we can use breathwork as a mental and energetic warm-up for work. Many of us carry stress and distractions from one part of the day into the next. Breathwork can serve as a ritual to mark the transition, helping you anchor your mind to the present moment and prepare for the task ahead. This can reduce procrastination, overcome limbic friction that we often encounter when starting a new demanding task until we get into a flow state. An easy tool for that is focusing on our breath. Spending a few minutes becoming aware of breathing anchors the mind to bodily sensations and the present moment. In an environment where we spend most of our days in our heads, bringing our attention back to ourselves can center us. This activity of getting aware of inner signals is called interoception. There have been studies that show that better interoceptive awareness leads to better long-term decision-making and mental health. Secondly, centering ourselves and focusing on the present moment and the task at hand will make me less receptive to distraction and procrastination. Next, becoming aware of your current state is essential to balance your mental state throughout the whole workday or week. How do you feel right now? Are you low on energy, neutral, or perhaps overstimulated? Awareness of your state is a skill that can be cultivated over time, and it allows you to choose the most effective breathing technique to shift towards your desired state. For example, if you're feeling tired, a series of deep and vigorous breaths can help energize yourself. If you're feeling overly stressed, slower breathing with extended exhalations can help you regain a sense of calm. In work environments with a lot of pressure, responsibility, information impulses, and juggling different projects, it's really helpful to use micro moments to become aware of your arousal level and use deliberate breathing to calm or energize yourself. Back in the days when I worked at one of the biggest digital advertising agencies in Switzerland, breathwork was a crucial tool for me, keeping a sharp mind and a healthy mental state. Cultivating your desired state through breathwork will empower you to take control of your autonomic nervous system. By strategically using breathing patterns, you can align your arousal levels or level of alertness with the demands of your work. For example, before an important meeting, a short session of energizing breathwork can increase your alertness and focus. After a stressful call, calming breathwork can help you reset and recover before moving on to the next task. Moreover, calming breathwork can help consolidate the information of a stressful event, whether a difficult client meeting or a fierce argument with the project manager. Slow and calm breathing, or a pattern like cyclic sighing, for example, where you do a double inhale followed by a long exhalation, can help you reflect, consolidate, and develop better decisions or strategies. One effective breathing technique for energizing yourself is a variation of what I call the hormesis breathwork. The protocol is simple. Sit upright and take deep inhalations through your nose, filling your belly and chest. Let the air fall out passively through your mouth. Repeat this for about 90 seconds, increasing your pace slightly as you go. Then, after the 90 seconds, switch to very slow breathing, where you focus on long, slow exhalations that can last 30 up to 60 seconds long, and hold the breath for as long as comfortable afterward. Do 2 or 3 of these slow breaths. If you want, you can do 2 or 3 rounds of alternating between deep and vigorous inhalations and slow, long exhalations with a breath hold. Alternatively, you can exchange the slow exhalations with a breath hold on empty lungs and then a shorter breath hold on full lungs. This is similar to a breathwork technique more famously known as the Wim Hof method. This practice is a quick and effective way to reset your nervous system, leaving you with a calm yet focused energy that can enhance your performance at work. Incorporating breathwork into your daily routine doesn't have to be complicated. You can use it as a morning ritual to start your day, a midday reset during lunch, or a pre-meeting preparation tool. Or you can just do a short intervention breathwork or deliberate breathing just before you start a new task or at the end of finishing a task, just to smooth out the transition point between one task to the next. Over time, these small practices can have a significant cumulative effect, improving your overall productivity and well-being. And if you are interested in diving deeper into breathwork and mindfulness practice via a one-to-one and/or group coaching, consider checking out my website. Thank you, and see you next time.